Right, on the count of 3, we are going to sing happy birthday to Chelsea. To Chelsea on 3, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Chelsea.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chelsea. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
That was good.
That's cute.
The ladies are going individual.
Thank you very much.
Oh, this is a good song.
Yeah, we're totally on a day. Got a good picture there.
First one.
Strange to think the songs we used to sing, the smiles, the flowers, everything is gone. Yesterday I found out about you, even now just looking at you feels wrong. You say take it all back. Wait, how's it go right there?
Given one chance. Should have said.
She's licking her chops to prepare for the battle.
Maybe she can't stand anymore.
She's bathed herself, so she's streamlined. Now we're waiting for the kill.
Lex, do you see it?
Party mix, isn't it? Party mix is
Yeah, my party mix
chicken liver and turkey flavor. Liver.
There you go.
My party mix doesn't generally involve
What does liver taste like? Liver.
beer.
She's just waiting.
Think I can eat one? And then give Angela a little
She
kiss.
gave the camera a death stare.
Here it comes.
Oh, there she goes.
Oh, there she goes. Mine. No. From here, it looks like she's chewing its neck.
Yep.
Disembowel you.
She's like, why is everybody watching me?
Yeah, she really kept her butt up there in the air for that.
Treats enlarge
Are we
the
laughing at
texture.
you?
Do we care what kind of texture?
I don't. I don't think the cat would.
She's funny.
They drink water with their tongue.